guys, I don't think you guys will believe me, but I found the reel. I found the reel in Animal Company. And I'm currently wearing Venom Brother. But I also got the VHS for the Frozen Vault. Honestly, if you guys don't know what to do like the entire thing, just get like an umbrella, look down, make sure you tilt your head a little bit, then you get a record time. Uh-oh, I'm gonna hit a wall. Oh, okay. Ow! That kinda hurt, but not as much as it's gonna do something. But I can't believe I'll get myself something awesome. Alright, but let's go. Yo guys, come on down to the OG map to see the vault, the thing, the reel. Brother, I found it. I found the reel. I found it. Come on, let's go.
Whoever leaves first gets an apple.
Alright, here we go. Roll credits.
Jimmy, stop. Jimmy, stop. Jimmy.
He's a hilarious.
That's such a fun trampoline!
Would you rather a free rocket or a mystery bag?
What did for me? Hey buddy, you need a haircut?
Sorry, but I have to go.
Mimi,
No! What are you doing? No!
Hey, Mimic. So awesome.
I mean, just look at her.
This is awesome. This is so beautiful. What the heck? Let's go.
Yo, I have an idea. What if you
I know, man. I'm trying to go. I'm so laggy.
Get code on different
Credits! I'm getting coins for this. Literally roll credits. No, don't fall.
They also
Norman,
added a whole code card. So in case you, so in case you want to stay warm, you can just drink a whole code card.
Yeah. W engineer. Engineering VP. Awesome. Atheist. Did I just read atheist? I know, artist. Oh, okay. Alright. I'm going to cut towards the end where I, the actual cooking. Oh, yeah, character art. Nice. I love character art. Pretty cool.
No, bro, that's
Not touch. Devs only. Well, I'm no dev.
I know it. And if you look here,
Cool Skater Guy 3. Skelly monkey! Where am I going? Where am I heading? Whoa! Awesome, this music. Whoa, that was awesome. Man. But I got the thing, but where is it? Special skateboard. Oh, man, look at it. Whoa. This looks so cool. Woohoo. Whoa. 180. 180. 360. Awesome. Alright, well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I'm going to claim this and this. This is so cool. Hey man, welcome. Look, over there. Look at it. Look at it in all of its glory. So awesome. But I'm going to go and put this in the vault. Yeah. I'm going to go and claim this VHS.
because
Gee, this is awesome.
you have to like
Hopefully they keep that location. That's pretty cool. I love doing it. It's pretty fun. Alright. Let's go and claim the VHS. Ollie. Alright, let's see. Well, first off, let's actually put this in.
Wait a minute, maybe this toilet got clogged with snow.
All I want for Christmas is you. Ooh,
Something
baby. Let's see. Ventilation.
I can't right now. I'm going to the OG
Circus
map
Lost
in
Valley.
the snow area.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm at the OG map. It looks so... Where do we go, bro? Where did you...
Focus.
Bro, head in the portal.
Edge of the frozen vault. Oh, I see.
I'm going in.
There we go. Sweet. Alright. Well,
God.
thank you guys so much for watching this video. It is an honor to get this awesome snowboard. It has been an honor.
Is that why you got yeeted? Is that why you got
It's been
yeeted?
a heckin' honor. Shut up with your vine broom. But, yeah,
It's like
so
the
cool.
OG or what's it?
You didn't see that. Can you put it on? Oh, you can put it on your back. All right, but enough of me yapping. Thank you guys so much for
Okay,
watching this
enjoy.
video. Thank you, Wooster Games, for actually making this game and making it fun for all of the years that I've played.
Fox guys.
All of the 2 years that I've played. But I do to you, Wooster Games, and all the people watching. Shout out. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.